Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can show battery percentage near battery icon here in the status bar in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. In notification area near that is in the status bar on the right side battery icon be showing here, and if you want to display how much percentage this battery has, just you can display near this battery icon. For that, what you have to do is just go to the settings and go to notifications, then go to advanced settings, then go to show battery percentage. Just turn on this button and yes, now it's showing here. See it now, near battery 92% is showing. So battery percentage is showing in the status bar. If you turn off it, there will be no battery percentage showing. Okay, only battery icon will be showing if you turn off. So in this way you can easily display battery percentage near battery icon in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.